Okay. A little challenging going up the side of a cliff, but I made it to the top of whatever this mountain is called. That right there is a mountain, but the gates are still locked, so no one can go up. Crazy view up here. I parked down there at the bottom. Just want to show you guys how high up I am. Yeah. Gate's still closed. I think I like this view better than going up on the top of a mountain. When I got up here, this water container and bench are up here. If you guys have been on this mountain, maybe leave me a comment below. Let me know what it's called. I don't think this is Tumamoc. Stay tuned.